not you. And what I love about it is when you promote digital, you literally make 100% profit because there's no cost. Like if you sell vitamins or you sell lip gloss, there's costs involved. There's no cost involved when you do digital. And because you learn how to automate and because it's digital, and that's automations, you literally are going to learn how to create your 2 hour daily workflow for maximum profits. This is one of the most important things. And this is what we're really going to focus on when we launch this next 90-day run. How do you automate? The understanding of automations, and how can you maximize the most profit out of your 2 hour workday? So it literally can be 30 minutes here, 30 minutes here. That's completely up to you. And we're going to help you work through that. So what is entailed in the 2 hour workday? Copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites for free. You're going to spend 30 minutes doing that. 3 pieces of content, about 1 hour. Our goal is to get that done in 1 hour, and learning, responding to comments and emails in 30 minutes a day. Yes, I love the 100% profit as well. That's what is majorly insane. Because what happens is you're going to get your income earning activities done in 2 hours a day, but it's going to allow these 3 pages to work for you for 24/7. This is why I call it our freedom machine.